Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Scratch Disk Photoshop. So the first step you need to do is to open Photoshop and click on Edit. Then you simply now go into the Purge and click on All and clear that. Once you clear that, you need to come back and you need to open settings of your smartphone. If that help you, you simply need to search here storage settings. So open that. Once you are here, you simply need to find the space and it will take some second to calculate, and here you can see temporary files. So you simply need to click here and make sure that you simply here you can see you can uninstall that file that you not needed. Remove files if you want. You simply need to click here and then you need to turn off the Photoshop from here like this. Close, and then you need to restart again and hopefully your issue got resolved. So this is a process. I hope you like this video. Thank you.